Hi, this is Watchabi. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing of a new watch which I got. As you can see, this is the box. Um, I bet some of you could already guess what brand it is, but anyway, this is the box or cardboard covering packaging when it's actually about to be transported. But here is the main watch box itself. As you can see, it is a Grand Seiko. Now let's open it up to see what Grand Seiko it is. Very nice paper. It comes with a very certificate-like wallet, where you can see that it comes with a very interesting certificate for chronograph certificate. So it actually says that it passed all the standards, and I think this standards is actually stricter than COSC standards. And anyway, here is all the assessment as well as the explanation about the test that they've done. So here you can see that magnetic resistance is based on ISO 764. So you have all kinds of standards here that are forced. But anyway, more about this later. What else do you find? Oh, I suppose this one must be the. Let's check out what is this. This has to be the. This is the operation manual. This is just a simple, quick start on how to do it. Everything is now online. This is the warranty ticket, warranty card, I suppose. Let's put it back. Then what else? What else is actually given in here? I think this is just a receipt of the payment I made, and this is the itself. Okay, so from here it appears as let's use this paper to fill it out. Anything else in here? No. Oh, what's this? This appears to be. Oh, I think it's just a. I wonder what this could be. Yeah, I think just cushion, I suppose. So this is a cushion. What else that is given in here? I think that's about it. Let's look at the watch. So this is the watch. Comes with its own travel bag. Watch right for that. Made in Japan. So this is the watch. This is the Grand Seiko Evolution 9 Tentagraph. It has the 10 beats per second movement, 36,000 chronograph, fully automatic. This is not spring dive. Brilliant titanium Zaratsu polishing, as you can see the movement there. Yeah, so this is the watch. Anyway, I'll do a full review on this watch on my blog. We'll have a look for it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Sorry, this is quite a long unboxing, but there you go. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Follow the channel, give us a thumbs up. Bye bye for now.